Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am the two-time, no, Boxer award-winning the Boxer.
I'm still the one-time the Boxer award-winning Autistic Chef, David Leahy.
So what are we doing today?
I think we're going on a bit of a fresh cake again, eh? Oh, yes. So today we are making French onion soup, and this is not official recipe. It's it's a recipe from someone I've worked with for almost 8 years, but it'll be good. Looking forward to this.
Yeah, work inspired, but of course we like to do our own cakes.
Yeah, I have a couple of things I'm doing that is different from her recipe.
Yeah, because we try to do our own spins because it's just like we don't want to do like.
I always steal the idea.
Yeah, we also don't want to advertise like what like a restaurant has, for example.
Absolutely. So let's get started. So first things first. Let's find. I'm gonna find it. God, I'm looking for a beer opener. And you'll see why in a second. Oh. And Canadian. I got a hockey puck.
Yep.
Firework blowing in the distance, temporary. Oh, firework, heaven with no stars anymore. So first thing first, pop open my beer.
For a second there, I thought it would be a can opener.
So now we're gonna start our onions. And this is gonna take a while, so you gotta be patient with it. This takes time. Like you gotta. So a little bit of oil. A good, like, I did about 8 onions here. You probably need about 6. I probably did too many, a couple too many. I didn't want to be sure, so. I think that should be enough onions here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do another recipe on the side because I feel like. So we're doing French onion soup, and also we're doing. I'm gonna add this in not last minute. I can do a little caramelized onion gravy. Go with it. So this is for like sauces and stuff.
In the gravy.
That's pissing me now. Yeah. I don't want the onion to go to waste. That's why I'm doing it. So this way, onions won't go to waste. Gonna season. Salt. Both of these. A little bit of salt.
You don't need to be so salty about it.
I'm always salty. Pepper. You don't want them. You don't want them to get brown at all. You want to keep them. Also, at our time. I'm always out of time. Wah, wah, wah. There you go. Bad joke.
But do we have time for it?
Always. Now the fun part. This is where I'm... Well, half... about 3/4 for the soup, and about just about half for the gravy here. You know what? A little more, and you know what? I'm gonna add a little more. And I'm gonna chug the rest, because salud.
Chug, 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 chug.
Woo! Just gotta let it. You gotta kind of babysit it every 4 or 5 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. You gotta come and it starts cooking down. So we will take a little break, and when we come out, we'll be right back with more of our video. So we add salt. Ketchup.
You know what I feel like getting ketchup with you one day?
What?
Ketchup?
Gravy mix. Beef broth. And for a little bit of heat, hot sauce, because I'm...
Big wonder whatever happened to cold sauce.
Too cold for this shit. I'm gonna add one more thing of gravy, please. A little more thicker. Guess it is gravy mix, I don't care. Sue me. Nah. Bite me, I don't care. That, some paste. More gravy mix, that's it. To keep it really simple. Give it some base to our gravy a little bit. I bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, then we're gonna start into the oven. So, for the oven, you need good baking sheet. Ow. Yes, do not do that at home. That hurts. Ouch. Here. Ow. You ever tell I hit you with the one once?
I remember the bamboo stick.
You told me it hit you, not tickle you.
Yep.
You rat bastard. Salt, pepper. See, it's already coming to the boil already. See? Look. See? Gravy mix is already starting to come to boil. See, look. See the dark spots? That's the gravy mix starting to come to boil. That's what we want. We want nice and thick, like really thick. Any lumps you see, any large lumps like from the gravy mix, you can just splash them across the side here like this and just squish them across the side and it'll pop pretty quick. See, it's starting to thicken up. Get darker and thicken up already. See, like that, gravy mix. Check our there's our soup. Check our gravy. Gravy. Add just a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add just a little bit beef broth to thicken it up a little bit. Pretty thick. You want like...
You suppose if you make soup for pro wrestlers, you have to use Broth Lesnar?
Alright, so... Fuck, it hit good. Now, croutons. I make garlic ones here, so there's that. Look at that. It's perfectly. Usually you do Gruyere cheese, but I'm gonna do. I'm not big. I don't mind Gruyere. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do Parmesan Reggiano. That's what I like. Don't be stingy on the cheese either, folks. Yeah, you can try not to spill too much cheese, but if you spill a little bit, not going to kill you, right? Yeah. Parmesan. Yum, yum. Usually do Gruyere, but I didn't want to do Gruyere today, so. Also, let's go check out the gravy. It's done. It's thick, but not too thick. You can braise something like pork chops in this if you wanted to get really fancy. Leftover soup. Use this for gravy as well. If you want to use for soup, use for gravy as well. Get really fancy. You put this with the gravy, you can add that to your gravy mix. Use that for your for whatever you want to cook them with. Turn that off. Okay, so now. This is like a trained professional. You're a trained professional. Don't tell us you're a trained professional like I am, kids. And it goes. So. 15 minutes. That looks pretty. Does that look pretty or what? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
There was no chance in hell of you winning the Royal Rumble.
I'll turn this down. Here. Alright. Time to finish this bitch. With a little pyro action. Here we go. Alright. And now we're going to finish with a little green onion on top. The pile right in the middle. Let's put them on. I'm gonna put them on a proper plate here. Give me a second here. On a bowl. So, I haven't done this in a while without killing myself doing this shit. If I scream and swear like a know why? Beauty! Look at that. There we are, folks. French onion soup. Bon appetito. So, folks, this is the one time the award-winning Autistic Chef. Until next time, folks. Thanks for watching. Please follow our socials. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, and formerly Twitter, all that. Much appreciated. So until next time, folks, I'm Autistic Chef, David Leahy.
And I am the two-time the Box Award-winning the Boxed. And again, I have a Facebook page. I have a Twitter/X account, Instagram, TikTok.
Yeah.
So
He does.
check me out there. And
Also follow his YouTube channel. Also follow
Yep.
the Box YouTube channel as well, please.
and subscribe, of
Yes,
course.
please subscribe. Thank you for all who follow me and subscribe to my stuff. Thank you.
Okay, I guess that's it. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys. Thank you.